2020 Toyota Sienna LE. The 2020 Toyota Sienna LE has plenty of power. With a 296 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, we have an 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. You get a 3,500-pound towing capacity, and you get all-wheel drive. And while this model here is all-wheel drive, it also comes in front-wheel drive, which can give you a varying configuration of seating arrangements. It varies vehicle to vehicle, so ask your dealer for more details.
Here on the exterior, we have projector beam halogen headlights with the auto on-off feature and daytime running lights. We have 18-inch 10-spoke machine alloy wheels. We have the dual power sliding side doors with jam protection. We have black roof rails and up to 150 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have a 7-inch touchscreen, audio plus multimedia with an integrated backup camera, advanced voice recognition, and hands-free phone capability. You get Bluetooth wireless technology with Siri Eyes Free. We have Scout GPS Link, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. We have 7-passenger seating with removable, easy clean, fabric-trimmed second-row captain's chairs, and we have a fabric-trimmed 60/40 split and stow third-row seat with one motion stow, and you get up to over 164 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota Sienna LE also gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more.
So, if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Sienna, the LE might have everything you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!